Okay, field M. This is your Magnum 1, doing some preliminary checks. Wanted to check the output power. I'm on AM. Meter on the left is RMS, meter on the right is peak. Got 100 watt slugs in both of them. Dead key. It's about 25 watts. Audio, about 44 watts peak. Okay, that's on AM. Let's go to sideband. Audio, that's a little over 30 watts RMS. Audio, about 44 watts peak. Okay. All right, I'm getting ready to start doing the options. More to come. Okay, Phil, got everything done. There's the hot glue on the jumpers that the Palomar engineers install for the mods that we like in the U.S., the upgrades, and also the parts that they add in here. Got hot glue on those to keep them from moving around. And this is a very important thing to do, especially if you drive a truck. Okay, I missed one. I need to put something on that one right there. Let me do that right this second. Hold on a second. I don't know why, but that little filter wiggles around. Even if you've got it, you push it all the way down on the board and solder it, it still wiggles. I think maybe the leads may be bent a little bit, and that's what it leaves, just enough for it to be able to wiggle a little bit. But there's your upgraded capacitors from a 1000 to a 3300, both for the voltage regulator and also for the DC input. Hot glue on the power connector to keep the pins from being pushed out if you use an aftermarket power cable. Okay, and here's the main thing right here. FQP 13N10s. I got that in the driver and both finals. Okay. Alright, let me get the power cable and the coax cable and all that stuff hooked up, and we'll come back and see how the power does. More to come. Okay, got it all hooked back up to the test equipment. I'm using a Trucker Series amplified microphone. I don't know what it's got inside of it. I just wired it up so I'd have a amplified microphone to use on these. Let's turn on the power. Comes up on band 1. All right. Let's see, where are we at? We are on 27115. That's channel 13. Let's go to channel 20. They both still have the same 100 watt slugs in them. Meter on the left is RMS. Meter on the right is peak. I am on lower sideband right now. Audio, hello, audio. Audio. Yeah, you were reading that right. That's over 80 watts, about 82 watts. Audio. Okay, that was on sideband. Let's see what it does on AM. Okay. We're dead keying about 32 watts now. Audio. Just a little bit over 80 peak on AM as well. Okay. All right. Let's do receiver check. Should be on channel. I got the test set on channel 38. switch to that. We should have an S9. Yeehaw! Got more than an S9, don't we? Alright, that's on AM. There's lower sideband. Okay, lower sideband needs to be adjusted too. Looks like the meter adjustments are all out of whack. I'll check the sensitivity to make sure that the sensitivity is correct. It looks like someone just, when they set the radio up, they didn't adjust the meters. So, sorry about that. I'll go do that now. I could have swore that I adjusted these. But that's what happens when you get old and senile. Alright, more to come. Okay, we'll take another look at it. There it is on the AM now. Properly calibrated. Okay. Here it is on lower sideband. Alright, sorry about that. I know what it was when I was doing the way they've got these laid out. You see that the squelch adjustment for AM and SSB are on the left, and the meter adjustment is on the right. Well, when I was setting the squelch earlier, I was turning the wrong potentiometers. So I went and did something, came back and got the squelch set correctly because I was puzzled as to why it wasn't doing anything. Now I know why. I was turning on the wrong VRs. But everything's all set now. You're good to go. Alright, let me get the covers on it. Be right back. Okay, Phil, there she is. And because I messed up those two adjustments, I went all the way back through the radio and checked everything again. And it did a little good, a little better. Audio, hello, audio. That's almost 90 watts now. Audio. About 52, 54 RMS. This is on lower sideband. So, let's see. Let me see if I can switch to it. External. Yeah, I'm on the external antenna now. That's my neighbor's electric fence you see jumping around there. That long fence he's got around his yard makes a damn good antenna. But he is too old to be chasing the dogs, so he's got to keep the electric fence on to keep them in the yard. I just have to live with it. But I thought maybe we might hear something. Oh boy, it's tearing me up right there. It'll blow us out of here if I... Maybe we might catch something. Yeah, just more interference. The ASQ is on. This squelch is on. That's why you're not hearing anything. You know what? I forgot how to turn the damn thing off too. Anyway, it's in the book. Just look in your book there and it'll tell you how to turn that automatic squelch control off. Now if it hears voices, it opens the squelch. So it's pretty cool actually. Not even something on 19. Well, let's see. I know there's a bunch that hangs out here. Nope. Well, it'll let us listen to noise. Hello, audio, hello. Anybody on the frequency this morning? Radio check. Good morning, Noble. How are you? Well, I'm making a video. I'm testing the radio out here on my bench. I was just curious to see if anybody was on the radio this morning. Hey, copy. It's a little Magnum 1 stock, just with a stock microphone there, Roger. I copy that. Well, I'm surprised you can hear me at all. Usually I have to get on the big radio to talk to you, but I can hear you pretty good on this thing too. It's pretty good radio. Okay, Noble. Let me get out of here and finish the video, and I'll be back in a few minutes. That's my buddy Noble, 549. A lot of you know him. He lives a few miles south of me. We talk on the radio a lot in the mornings. Okay, Phil, that about does it, buddy. Got a good radio check from Noble, and it's just on the radio, and I'm usually running that thing right there to talk to Noble. So this little radio's got some punch. I think you're gonna like it. All right, Phil, I sure hope you enjoy your new radio. It was my pleasure to set it up for you. 73, everybody.